Hello, do you know English?
Yes, I know English.
How much do you know about English?
I have basic English knowledge.
Well, do you speak English as well?
Yes, of course. I usually speak English.
With whom do you speak English?
I speak English with my co-workers.
Great. Can you speak English fluently?
Yes, I am quite fluent in English speaking.
Wow, that's great. How did you learn?
I practiced a lot of English, and that is how I learned.
Well, did you learn grammar also?
Yes, I had to learn basic grammar.
But I don't know grammar well.
Without knowing grammar, it is also possible.
How? I heard without grammar, it is not possible.
Wrong, it is possible, but you will need to practice a lot.
Then, how much did you learn grammar?
Just the basic grammar I have learned.
Didn't you find it hard to learn grammar?
No, these basic grammar are so easy.
But
How are you doing today, Jenny?
Hi, Robin. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to talk about this and hopefully help others facing the same issue.
Absolutely. Jenny, so, tell us a bit about your experience with English speaking.
Well, English is not my first language, and I've always struggled with speaking fluently. It's been a challenge, especially in social situations or at work.
Many can relate to that. It's a common hurdle. But the important thing is that you're addressing it. What specific challenges have you faced?
Pronunciation has been a major struggle for me. I often fear judgment or being misunderstood. It's affected my confidence.
It's completely normal to feel that way. Jenny, learning a new language is a journey. And everyone progresses at their own pace. So, what steps have you taken to improve your English?
I've been attending language classes, watching English movies with subtitles, and practicing with language exchange partners, but it's still a work in progress.
That's fantastic. Jenny, consistency is key. Now, let's talk about some ideas and encouragement. First, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Immerse yourself in the language, read books, listen to podcasts, and try to think in English.
That makes sense. I'll definitely try to incorporate that into my routine.
Great! Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's a part of the learning process. Every mistake is an opportunity to
True. I need to remind myself of that.
improve. Absolutely. Another tip is to practice speaking with native speakers or language exchange partners regularly. This will not only improve your speaking skills, but also boost your confidence.
I've been doing that, and it has helped a lot.
Fantastic! Lastly, set realistic goals for yourself. Celebrate small victories along the way. It's essential to acknowledge your progress.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice, Robin.
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest coffee shop is?
Oh, sure. There's a great cafe just around the corner. Are you new in town?
Yeah, just arrived today. I'm still trying to figure my way around. Thanks for the tip. I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Taylor. What brings you to this city?
Well, I got a job here, so I decided to move. How about you? Are you from here?
No, actually, I'm just visiting. I've always wanted to explore new places, and this city was next on my list.
That sounds adventurous. Any recommendations for a newcomer like me?
Absolutely. You should definitely check out the local markets. They have some unique stuff, and, of course, the historical sites are a must-visit.
Great. I'll make sure to explore those. By the way, what do you do?
I'm a travel blogger. I go to different places, experience the culture, and share my adventures online. It's a dream job.
That sounds amazing. I bet you have some incredible stories to tell.
Oh, Definitely. Each place has its own charm and story. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. The company I work for recently opened a branch here, and they asked me to relocate.
That's fantastic. The city must be full of inspiration for your work. What's the first project you're working on?
I'm actually working on a campaign for a local charity. It's a great way to connect with the community and make a positive impact.
That's really commendable, Alex. It's wonderful to see people contributing to the community they live in.
Thanks, Taylor. So, besides blogging, what else do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Well, I love trying local cuisines. Food tells so much about a place, don't you think?
Hello, teacher. Are you busy now? I don't want to bother you. I am sorry.
Good morning, Liam. I just finished a class. But don't you have classes now?
Yeah, well, my class starts in about 10 minutes. I have some time.
All right, then tell me. What can I do for you? What's happening?
Well, first, I want to thank you. I have been applying all your advices, and it has helped me a lot. I feel my English is improving. I watch movies, listen to music, and read books in English.
That's great. I'm happy to hear that. Then, what is your problem?
Well, I have tried to learn English by watching videos on YouTube. It doesn't work. I mean, that's not true, right? We can't learn English by watching videos on YouTube. I'm not saying you are a liar, but it just doesn't work. We can't learn English on YouTube.
I see. Well, haven't you stopped to think that maybe you are doing it the wrong way?
Yeah, I thought about it. That's why I'm here. I need you to tell me how to learn English on YouTube.
All right. Watching YouTube videos is a fantastic way to learn and improve your English. It helps you improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary while learning something exciting and having fun. Just 20 years ago, it wouldn't be possible to immerse yourself in English. Without being in an English-speaking country, well, YouTube changed that. I sometimes recommend YouTube videos more than movies and series in English. Because of the variation of videos and topics it has, you can find whatever you're looking for. But I must tell you something, their biggest mistake is to watch videos passively and do nothing else. Many adult learners devour YouTube videos, hoping that they help improve their English. It does improve your listening comprehension to a certain degree, but not as much as active learning would do. Compared to passive learning when you only listen, active learning is all about engaging with that content. So, I'm going to give you some strategies to use YouTube properly to learn and improve your English. Watch a mix of English learning channels and thematic channels. Yeah, I know. I couldn't recommend you to only watch videos from this channel. I would be a terrible teacher if I did that. Here on this channel, we have different videos about different topics, a wide variety. We have real-life situations, money problems, family life, English stories, tips to learn English, advanced English phrases and words, grammar, pronunciation. Wow, I didn't realize how much we've been working lately. Anyway, although we have a wide variety of videos, you can always learn more. Music in English with lyrics, for example, or clips from movies or series in English. Teachers teach grammar with a whiteboard or interviews with famous people. It will depend on what you like. Imagine you like watching movies. You like going to the cinema. Here, we have videos about how to learn English by watching movies, so you can complement that video with the top of the best movies in English, for example. Here, we also have a video about how to learn English with music. Then you can watch a video with that song. You can also watch a channel similar to this, about conversations in English and different topics. Because I don't know if we are the best YouTube channel, but we are a different channel. We love what we do and we try to put all our effort into each video. I love teaching English. I can't tell you to only watch our videos because there's not only one way to learn English. And don't believe these people who tell you only to watch their videos and that the rest are bad. Check it out for yourself and choose your favorite ones. Oh, also really important. not only watch videos about learning English. I made that mistake. Yeah, I made that mistake when I was learning English many years ago. Why is it a mistake? I used to practice my listening skills and also my pronunciation by repeating the audio. And I had fun at the same time, because I loved the people who practiced in that program. And, of course, also the judges. Do you understand what I am trying to say?
Yes, I got your points, teacher. Thanks a lot.